It's either going to win, lose, or draw. What's up guys, my name is Brandon, let's go. So today we're going to be talking about how to manage a loss. The first step is acknowledging that you're not going to win all of your trades, because I can assure you, you won't. The next step is obviously you need to make sure that your risk is managed. Upon having proper risk management, you're going to realize slowly but surely it is very hard for you to blow an account. You then need to acknowledge that there are only 3 possible outcomes from a trade that you would have taken. It's either going to win, lose, or draw. The reason why we're talking about this in relation to discussing how to manage a loss is because as soon as you enter a trade, there isn't much you can do. You can either let it win, lose, or draw. You're going to get losses. That's just the way this industry works. But the reality is, if you can make sure that your risk is under control and you're risking 1% of the account, it's actually very hard for you to lose the account. That being said, if you are to lose a trade, all you need to do is get up and walk away like this. So then, when you're feeling better and you feel at ease, now you can come back to your trading platform and take trades based off of a cool, calm, collected manner. This has worked wonders for me because it removes any possibility of revenge trading and it allows me to think very, very clearly. Remember, your goal is to take trades that you know you should be taking. That being said, if you watch my video from yesterday on how to properly trail a stop loss, doing that will allow you to recover from just about any loss that you can attain. This is a short video, but it's an important one nevertheless. If you'd like more advice and content and tips like this, be sure to leave a like, comment, and hit subscribe. Obviously ring the bell, and I will see you all in the next one. Safe trading.